Yo, it's Friday. Today is a very special day because today is finally the day where, like, it's crazy. Everything is gone out of here, right? Everything is being packed up. We're moving. We're getting out of here. We're getting out of here today. All right, heading down the highway. I got my bro driving the van. It's our third trip down. We should have got a box truck, but for some reason they gave me a van instead of the box truck that I ordered. So we packed that guy up twice with the machines, everything I've ever owned t-shirt related. Packed my little sign on a few times. Got a couple totes from Amazon. I can't say the name because I don't want to get anybody in trouble. But yeah, this is moving day. We're down the highway. I'm doing something so unsafe right now by videotaping this, so I don't recommend anybody do this. Don't do this. This is just for now. So I'm showing you guys that we're moving in. This is moving day in the rain. So my bro and my son are in that car, and we're going. Let's see if I can catch up to them. Hold on. Look, here we go. And now it begins. You guys already know Howard. Howard is my secret t-shirt business partner. So anyway, we're going in. And look what this says. Smile, you are on camera. I dare you. But here we go. The baby's parked outside, but we're moving stuff in. We got to put it all together. Still a lot more to go. What's up, Duke? This is Duke. Reception area. My buddy is here. He's got his Funko Pops. We got the Funko Pops going. The kitchen area. Right. And I'll show you guys my new partner is a Bears fan. My God. But he is a Funko Pop collector. He had way more than this and he sold them all. He's going to be doing car wraps. That's his specialty, is car wraps. His car wrap stuff is fire. So I'll be showing you guys a lot more of his car wrap stuff. And I'm going to introduce you to him right now. That's him back there talking. There's another little guy somewhere. Where'd he go? So we've got everything kind of loaded as far as this machine goes. This was a lot. So we're going to figure out how to vent this thing. There's a lot of space. But this, guys, that's Jay. You finally get to meet Jay. Jay is the wrap guy.
It's a wrap guy.
The wrap guy. Jay is the car wrap guy. This is what he does. I'll show you some finished product after. And you guys already know that guy back there because he's in everything. And then this dude too. And so this is the beginnings of what we're going to build. So I'll be showing you guys a lot more than this for sure.
And then you know what I just move action my prices where it needs to be. Or do that. And then I was just like, you know what, I'm tired of all this chemical that I'm spraying and Facebook is on anyway.
What up, birdie?
See this truck?
What's up, bird?
I'm just gonna try to
This is the car wrap stuff. This is what he does. Right, look. This is what he does. Yay, come on. And then when the sun hits this, it turns into like a matte black or something crazy. But that's what he does. And so you guys will get to see a lot more of that. On top of that, he's forever racing. But yeah, that's what he does. It's going to be a little bit to set up, guys. It's going to be a little bit to set up. But I will make it look pretty. I'll make it look like it's supposed to look. I mean, I've always had my stuff look great. But I'm going to make it look good. It'll be fully running here shortly. Shortly. But again, as you can see, it is doable. It has been a long process. I didn't just start. COVID, for those that know the story, COVID, was where all of us pretty much had to find something to do full time. But since around November November 2019 to now. So that's 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So that's 4 years solid. We hit that. But in 2017, if you scroll back all the way on this page, I was pushing my brand, doing t-shirt stuff. So 2017 to now, it's been a long, long, long journey. It takes a long time, and we're still nowhere near what we're capable of doing. The point is that we're doing it, right? And so whether you're afraid, whether you're not, if you don't do it, if you don't try, you're never going to find out if it works. And the worst thing that can happen is that it's not successful when I move everything back. But that's not the plan. I mean, you've seen me grow from, or those who have been part of my journey, from my couch as an idea to, now in a storefront, shop, warehouse, right? I've got a great new partner I'm partnering with, and so I think together he and I are going to do some amazing things. You'll have car wrapping here. You'll have DTF. You'll have sublimation. You'll have everything that we offer. We'll bring in, embroidery back in. A lot of options. But the point is, if you don't try, you're never going to find out if it works or not. This is just the first day of the journey. I will be recording this process throughout the entire way through. And like I said, my goals, my aspirations, man, are to have a humongous warehouse. I want to be a building that conventions and stuff come out to. Maybe not a full convention, but I want to be a building where people come out, spend a few days, learning, teaching, bringing out other content creators, and things like that. People that I'm affiliated to, right? So how about we bring them here? How about I bring all my guys here, and we teach those in my area how to start a t-shirt business and scale one. And then on top of that, we now have a car wrapping guy. He's going to be involved in this entire process. So he'll be teaching car wrapping. It's going to be amazing. I have no doubt in my heart. God brought me here, and I know that God's going to see me all the way through. And without him, none of this is possible, right? So we'll see what the next step is. But so far, for right now, this is it. You're seeing the beginnings of us building this business from a shop. What does that look like? You've seen me build it from a home, but can we build it from a shop? We're going to find out. Thank you guys for watching. I know that was short, but it's short, sweet, right to the point. And I want to encourage you guys that if you've been watching me long enough, you see that it is possible. Just stay determined, and anything you want to do is possible. I love y'all. On that note, I'm out.